Hello, welcome to What Users Say. Find out about business technology vendors from the words of genuine IT end users and decision makers. This series is sponsored by QBS Distribution. My name is Alan Manville, Director of Channel Sales for Nitro Software, and in this episode we will be looking at what users say about Nitro's PDF productivity, eSigning and digital transformation offering. Nitro is a leader in the PDF productivity space and has been around since 2005. We expanded in the last few years into eSigning and analytics to underpin the platform, headquartered in San Francisco in the US with offices in London, Dublin and Melbourne. Let's hear now from Andrew Close, the head of IT for JLL, the global real estate services provider that operates in more than 80 countries.
JLL's been on a digital strategy path for a couple of years now, and one of the key drivers behind our digital transformation is productivity. We want the team to be focusing their time on collaborating and achieving outcomes for our clients rather than internal bureaucratic paper-based processes. Our old method for invoicing used to involve a whole lot of printing out a document, putting a stamp on it, signing it, photocopying it, then scanning it. Nowadays, that's completely online. They're re-engineering the way in which they work because of that product.
So you heard there from Andrew about real clear examples of how to benefit from digital transformation and indeed document productivity within that. No doubt digital transformation is changing everything from an IT perspective. How software is bought, deployed and used is changing beyond recognition. So there's more to this than you think. The spending on digital transformation is immense. Just on the PDF e-signature solutions alone, spending last year was in excess of $2 billion. All software spend nearly $300 billion, and digital transformation spend is forecast to be in excess of $1.25 trillion. Over 70% of companies say that digital transformation is their top IT spending priority in 2019 and beyond. Therefore, large organisations have the most to gain from digital transformation. Here is Aidan Curran, IT Service Delivery Manager at UK-based Howden.
Howden is a global engineering company. We specialise in the oil and gas market, compressors and fans. We have locations in about 27 countries. Part of my role is looking at standardisation, and that's why we reviewed PDF. Quickly, we could see there was an issue with training, licensing, compliance, and no standardisation, so it made it difficult for IT departments to support that.
So you heard there from Aidan talking about standardisation, and that's a key factor in terms of making benefits from a digital productivity standpoint. So what if you could deploy PDF productivity and e-signing tools to everyone and all of your knowledge workers within the organisation, just like Microsoft Office? The benefits there are multiple: lower cost per user through unlimited use of the product, e-signature and PDF, very easy to deploy, manage and use, and up and running very quickly, underpinned by Nitro's analytics platform to show exactly where those benefits can be derived and how to improve things going forward. The Nitro Productivity Suite is everything you need to do all of this, so it's easy to consume within one offering. Nitro Pro, as we said, market-leading PDF productivity, the ability to create, to edit, to share, collaborate with a PDF tool. PDF still being over 70% of the world's email attachments. Our market-leading eSigning product is also available to everybody. It's e-signature that meets with all the regulatory requirements, whether it's SOC Type 2, GDPR requirements, the e-Signature Act, ISO 2000 standards, and it's 256-bit encrypted. Let's go back to Andrew Close now, the head of IT for JLL, to understand more about the journey to digital transformation with Nitro.
We've currently got about 2,000 users across the country using Nitro. It was really a one-for-one replacement with the product that they were using. It's only in the last 6 months that we're actually using the more enhanced features, the building of forms, the digital signing, the workflows.
So let's talk about that journey to digital transformation. It's a large banner and a large topic. However, what we have with Nitro is the ability to have some really demonstrable progress with the digitization of documents. What we typically find with our large clients is that they will implement or install in maybe a department or maybe a geography and start to realize the benefits very quickly. Thereafter, we see users expanding right up to our largest customers, those Fortune 5 companies that I mentioned, who are using Nitro successfully throughout their organizations, and it's deployed to hundreds of thousands of users. PDF is just as pervasive, if not more so, than any other document type. So why is it that just Microsoft Office is deployed to every worker by default, but PDF and eSigning only to a chosen few? The Nitro Productivity Suite is the perfect add-on for your Microsoft Office 365 customers. By delivering advanced PDF editing and giving you unlimited e-signing, the Nitro Productivity Suite addresses critical use cases not currently supported by Office 365 applications, such as combining documents, sending those documents for e-signature, and converting the PDFs to other file formats. So help your customers overcome these gaps in their productivity by deploying Nitro alongside Office 365. We've talked about the benefits of the products and the solution from Nitro, but what about partnering with us? Well, it's a great opportunity because the market, as we've discussed, is expanding and will continue to do so for some time to come. So if you're partnering with Nitro, you get the benefit of a market-leading solution, but also real demonstrable value to your customers and the ability to make a difference to your clients and prospects on that digital transformation journey. Nitro's dedication to genuinely partner with customers and partners sets us apart from the competition.
We picked 5 different vendors, and one of those was Nitro. From the testing, we found that Nitro was head and shoulders above all the other applications. Users pick it up very quickly, it's very intuitive, and it has all the features which, as a business, we needed. We had 15 users to trial it, and the feedback was fantastic. All of those users had been Adobe Pro users, and they all came back saying that this product was easier to use, was much faster, and actually was more feature-rich.
And here are the areas where Nitro leads the competition. It's the ability to equip more users, better value for your investment. Very easy to use, simple to configure and deploy. Its industry-leading customer success change management process means that it's up and running quickly and effectively, and the benefits are gained very quickly. Flexible licensing terms and trusted security with the product offering. Our last comment is from Franz Glushüttner, Contract and License Manager at T-Mobile.
We're searching for an alternative product to Adobe, and we find that Nitro is one of the best products, what is stable, and is also as a standalone product. That we want to have a product to have the same functionality as what we used in the past. We choose Nitro because of the more modern interface to the customer. Change management means for us that we want to put our users in the competition of the modern technologies because we are in a market which is very highly dynamic.
Thank you for joining me in this episode of What Users Say. Hit the subscribe button and click the link in the video description for pricing.